students, welcome to maths class. In chapter Area and Perimeter, we have already done introduction and general understanding of perimeter of triangle. To find area and perimeter of square. To find area and perimeter of rectangle. Today, we are going to continue with counter examples to different misconceptions related to perimeter and area. Now, here, which figure it is? Square. As we have already done, if side of square will be given, how to find its perimeter and area. But if perimeter or area will be given, then how to find side? Here we know perimeter equals to 4 multiplied by side. So, to find side, we will divide perimeter by 4. On the other hand, we know area of square equals to side multiplied by side. We can write it as side square. Now square will change into square root. Therefore side equals to square root of area. So let's understand with examples. Here, let's understand with examples. Here, the perimeter of a square field is 40 meters. Find its area. So here, perimeter is given, that is 40 meters. And what I have to find out? Area. But I know that area of square equals to side multiplied by side. But here I don't know the side of the square. So first of all I will find side of the square from perimeter. So here in a square, perimeter equals to 40 meters. Now we know perimeter equals to 4 multiplied by side. Here at the place of perimeter, write down its value, that is 40 meters. 40 meters equals to 4 multiplied by side. Here I have to find out side of the square. So 4 will go on the other side with the sign of divide. So here it comes. Side equals to 40 upon 4 meters. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. Therefore side equals to 10 meters. Now here I have to find out area. So here area equals to side multiplied by side. Value of side is 10. So here it comes 10 multiplied 10 meter square. Now we know 10 tens are 100. Therefore area equals to 100 meter square. Let's see one more example. Here the area of a square is 100 centimeter square. Find the length of each side of square. Also find the perimeter of the square. Now what is given? Area of square, that is 100 centimeter square. And what we have to find? Side and perimeter of square. So here in a square, area equals to 100 centimeter square. Now just now I have told you that area equals to side square. So here side square equals to 100 centimeter square. Square will change into square root. So here it comes. Side equals to square root of 100 centimeter. Now we know how to find square root by prime factorization method. Here 2 50s are 100, 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now here what will come? 2 by 2 by 5 by 5 outside centimeter. Now we know in square root we will make pair of two numbers. So here 2 will come from first pair and 5 will come from the second pair. So what will come in the next step? 2 multiply by 5 and symbol of square root will be omit. Here it comes, side equals to 10 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Perimeter of square. We know perimeter of square equals to 4 multiplied by side. Put value. Here it comes 4 multiplied by 10 centimeter. 4 tens are 40. Therefore, perimeter of square equals to 40 centimeter. So students, today we have learned how to find side if area or perimeter of square will be given. So I hope with the help of this video, you all will be able to do the related sums given in your SNAP homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.